Hello, I'm doing another mechanical pencil video. This pencil is Faber-Castell. It's a 0.7 millimeter. You can see that. Maybe you can't because of the lighting. That is 0.7 millimeter Faber-Castell. It says TK fine 7. TK dash fine, the word fine, and then 9717. If that helps anybody. Right here on the clip it says made in Germany. Has a grade indicator there. I'm guessing you can turn this to different lead sizes maybe. Let's try to turn it. Yeah. There's a B right there. I'm going to turn it back to HB. It's not easy to turn. This part is cylindrical, and this part is, I think, hexagonal, maybe more. Instead of 8, maybe it's 10. Yeah, maybe it's 10. It's mostly plastic. It has a good weight to it. Metal here, metal clip, metal top thing. Got the balance. There's the balance. It's pretty close to the middle, I think. It comes in different sizes, I believe. Rattle. Does kind of rattle a little bit. Not that you're going to be shaking it that much. It does rattle more than I would like. The eraser, if I can get it out, has a little wire for maintenance, which I like. The eraser is no bigger than usual ones. It ends right about here, so it's maybe even smaller than the usual ones. But the cover does stay out longer than, or this part sticks out longer than I would, that I find is aesthetically pleasing. But that's me maybe. Pros and cons of this. Other than this, I really see no problem with it. Pros, I like that it has that maintenance wire cleaner thing in it, and I don't mind the barrel where the handle is. Clip's a little long for getting in my way for when I'm turning my pencil when I'm doing lines. The lead on this one is that maker. They make a lot of notepads, and apparently they make graphite. This is a 0.7 HB. Leuchtturm, 1917. I have one of their notebooks for the comparison video. I'm using all the different leads on all the different papers to show how they react to the different notebooks and other different papers. I have this kind of notebook. I have a moleskin, and I have a Rhodia notepad. Alright, let's do the ABCs, 1, 2, 3s on here. I like the amount of advance on the lead. Maybe that's a little too much, but I'm going to use it. One, two, three. Do the lines. lines for erasing. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that's how it erased. It's fairly clean. You might see some remnants of graphite in this one. Not much in this other one. And this is the HB in the, however you say that word, 1917. And just going to give it a moment so you can see. It's a little lighter than some. I wouldn't call it a good example of HB. Like I said, it's a little lighter than some, but it's good. Gets the job done. Alright, that's the end of that one.